Finally, you come along. The way I feel about you just can't be wrong. If you only knew the way I feel about you, I just can't describe it. Na 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 na. Finally, it has happened to me right in front of my face, and I just cannot hide. First of all, ano yung tinutok sa mukha niya right in front of my face?
Hindi kaya ang tinutok sa kanya ay isang matulis na bagay?
Katulad ng notes payable?
Ito ba ay isang saw?
Or baka hinold up siya that time? Tinutukan siya, dear eh.
Kasi di ba para I just can't describe
I
it.
just can't describe it. Like, ano ba yon? Balisong? Baril?
Oo.
Or nasa tundo ba siya dahil tinutukan siya ng
Ice pick. Oh my God. Oh my God, katatapos lang ng tondo. I mean, the Lakbayaw Kemet.
Correct.
Diba?
So first of all, Mama, it is the first episode of the year. Palakpakan natin.
Palakpakan natin ang bawat isa.
Correct.
Welcome back. Happy.
Yung in-upload namin na recent was sa Lost File. So nakita nyo naman, nung mid-October pa yun. So ito na po ang tunay na 2026 episode.
Correct. Ba't nga pala nawala yun, sis?
Nawala yun kasi walang sponsor yun. So, inuna natin yung pera.
Correct. Dahil mukha po kami pera.
Oo, mukha po kaming pera. Inunan mo namin yun. Sabi namin, walang sponsor, saka na yan. Charing.
Kamusta naman ang January mo, sis?
Honestly, people have been clamoring for us to come back na kailan, while this is the first shoot day of the year, as early as January 3, magkasama na tayo almost every other day.
Oo nga. Buti hindi ka pa rin nagsasawa sa pagmumukha ko, di ba?
I mean, I do a pretty great job hiding it.
Ako din. Lang. Pero alam mo, magkasama na po kami since January. We are very, very active and very workaholic.
Correct. So we had a dinner with, of course, Margot Torres, a
Oh
friend
my
of the
God,
pod.
friend
Hi,
of the
Miss
pod.
Margot.
Hi, Miss Margot.
Of McDonald's. And then, nag-host tayo ng Century Pacific
Internal ganap.
Internal ganap. Oo. Tapos,
Then,
gumawa tayo ng very special heartfelt greeting for Luke Jikin. Hi, attorney.
Hi, attorney. And also, congratulations pala sa lahat ng mga bar passers.
Honestly, yes.
Yeah, congrats to all of you, mga attorney na kayo.
Correct. Pero in doing that, so of course, nakapagbakasyon tayo. So,
Yeah, oo.
diba?
I wanna know because ikaw.
Yeah, so I nag-US ako for 2 weeks, saw my family, nag-New York, saw a bunch of Broadway shows. So ito, kakayod na naman kasi mahal yun.
Correct.
But honestly, minamanifest ko, makapag New York tayo hopefully soon.
Hopefully soon, hopefully within the year.
And hopefully sponsored by PAL.
Thank you, Pal. And hopefully sponsored by, Airbnb.
Correct. Sabi ng mga tao, ibang level ang energy nila ngayon, no? Sobrang
Oo.
in the sponsors' faces ngayon si
Correct.
Baus and McCoy, particularly Baus.
Ganyan
Oo.
po talaga kapag kayo ay motivated ng salapi. Tsare!
Correct, 'di ba? Sabi nga step 1 weaponize, step 2 monetize.
And step 3, ovulate.
I love it. First of all, are you ovulating right now?
Right now, January, yes. It's an ovulating season for Pisces people because February is up and coming. But of course, we have to give way to the analytical and intelligent Aquarius people.
Honestly, I think we need to make a product for people who are ovulating. Parang candy to help them with like migraine, dysmenorrhea. We should call this Ovaltinis.
Correct. And the color should be also brownish.
Correct.
And kailangan tinitake ito bago matulog.
'Di ba?
Because yun yung peak ng ovulation kapag natutulog kayo.
Yes, you would know that because you have experienced that firsthand.
Yes, because I am a lactating gay.
And a pathological liar.
Correct. Ako naman, since galing ka ng New York, dito lang ako sa Pilipinas during the holidays.
Yes. Nag-host ka ng New Year celebration bash ng Pasig.
Correct, oo. Bridgetown.
Correct.
Yung may ganung structure.
Paano ba, no?
Parang Harufa May Quinto yun.
Actually, si Rufa May talaga yon, yung sa Bridgetown, sa Pasig.
Siya ba yun?
Siya yung gumaganon.
Oo, go, 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 sabi nga.
Correct.
Pero let's talk about your New Year's resolution. Natutuloy pa ba to?
Alam mo, feeling ko, eventually, pag umabot ka na ng 30, parang you realize you don't need a New Year's resolution to motivate yourself because every day is a chance to reinvent yourself.
And every day is a chance to be you because you are the solution. So therefore, hindi mo na kailangan ng New Year's resolution.
Correct. Totoo yan. You are the you in solution. Pero, ang dami. Ikaw, meron ka bang New Year's resolution now?
Well, wala naman talagang yung super-duper kinakailangan gawin.
Correct.
Pero I've made a pledge for myself to be healthier this year.
Love it.
So I'm trying to lose weight the best way I can. And, lakad-lakad.
Lactate.
Lactate.
Lakad, lactate.
Ovulate.
Oh my God. Honestly, can't International Women's Month come any sooner so we can make all these feminine forward jokes?
Correct.
I love
And
it.
valid yon.
Valid.
So yun ang ating catch up.
Correct. So, catch up.
Yeah.
Catch up, it sounds like ketchup.
Oh my God, catch up na sinabi ni Angelica Panganiban. Catch
Up
up to the young and beautiful you. Eme. Hello, Angelica.
Hi, Angelica Panganiban. Of course, maraming salamat for guesting sa year-end special. Oo, sa mga tao rin na hindi nagustuhan yung episode na yon. Hello din sa inyo.
Hello sa inyo.
Yes.
Pero at least yung talagang nagtagumpay siya sa Unmarried.
Correct. Diba? To the
Bongga
point,
yan.
nakakatawa yung sabi niya na nag-prepare siya ng speech. Honestly, tama.
Oo.
If you're nominated for something, like, prepare a speech.
Kailangan.
Diba?
Parang kumbaga kung nominated ka for valedictorian, magpe-prepare ka ng valedictory speech.
Honestly, ang gusto kong malaman, ang salutatorian ba, eventually, meron ba siyang separate speech kapag valedictorian siya?
Alam mo, yan ang, oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Pero alam mo, ang mga salutatorian, feeling ko gumagawa din sila ng kanilang speech dahil sila ang taga-salo.
Correct.
And therefore, salutatorian.
Diba? At pag busit na sa kanila ang tao, they just affirm it because sila ay salot sa kanilang batch.
Correct. So, salutatorians, taga-salo kayo, and you are salot.
Yes.
Charing lang!
Which is, I think, the perfect embodiment of the human experience.
Correct.
There are times you are celebrated, but most of the time, people hate you.
Yun lang ang masakit doon talaga.
Correct.
Naging ka ba? Honor student?
I was a dishonored student.
Hindi yan totoo. Are you? Were you?
No, I think so. Science High School, I think 130 kaming gumraduate. Baka nasa lang ako, halfway mark. It's giving
I see.
verse.
Okay. It's giving verse indeed.
Correct. Ikaw?
I was 9th honorable mention.
Honestly,
na para bang feeling ko, buhay ng pusa.
You are a pussy after all.
And therefore, dapat akong maging member ng Pussycat Dolls.
Wait lang, ninth
Ninth honorable.
That is a big accomplishment.
Really?
Yeah, it is. Ilang kayo gumraduate?
I think nasa 60 plus. Kasi maliit lang yung school.
Got it.
Oo. So ako po yung pang 9th na matalino.
Correct.
Oo.
Tapos yung pang 8.
Emelak.
So ang gusto ko malaman, ikaw yung 9th na pinakamatalino, yung ni-rank na 8th, after all has been said and done, do you think that person is actually better than you?
Feeling ko, naunahan niya lang ako dahil mas magaling siya sa math. Pero kung pagalingan sa history, mas magaling ako.
At kung texter's choice ang labanan, panalo ka.
Oo naman. And popularity. Yeah! Kasi si AT officer ako nung high school. Hello.
Oh my God. So, kung sino man si number 8, there's Reddit to express your hate for us.
Yeah. Pero friend ko yung 8th honorable mention.
Friend mo siya.
He's based in Canada right now. Pero wait lang.
Oh.
Alam mo, napapaisip ako kasi since January is here and feeling ko ang tagal-tagal niya.
Correct.
Ang daming labada.
Ang
diba?
daming labada. Sinimot tayo ng pahinga. May mga taong sumimot ng macaroni salad.
Oh my God.
But we must talk about, I think, something that has really fully taken over our FYPs, our news feeds. We need to talk about mother talking, heated rivalry.
Heated rivalry. Alam mo, the past few weeks, yan din na lumalabas sa feed ko.
Correct. So, marami nang tatanong sa akin. Sabi, panoorin ko na raw. So, I am here to tell you. So, sinadya ko to. Hindi ko siya tinapos. Nasa episode 5 yung pinanood ko kagabi. And the last line of episode 5, I think the HR fans, I don't know if that's what you call it, is a mix of kilig and libog at the same time. Mama, there is no better feeling than the last line of episode 5.
Oh my goodness. I'm trying to relate kasi sa totoo lang, snippets lang yung nakikita ko sa
Correct.
Reels.
Correct.
But my boyfriend is watching Heated Rivalry, natapos na nga daw
Correct.
niya. Grabe.
Correct.
Kilig at libog.
Kilig at libog, which is honestly just another Tuesday for us.
No, kasi I think yung Heated Rivalry starts out
Okay.
as Cinemax softcore porn. The first half, Cinemax softcore porn. And the second half, it's giving Precious Heart romances.
Cinemax, Precious Hearts Romances, hindi man lang natin naisip yung Cinema One na tuwing madaling araw ay nagpapakita ng soft porn.
Pero yeah, honestly, like, of course, like, Hudson Williams,
Ay.
ang pogi niya.
Wait lang, sorry. Enlighten me. Hudson Williams is
Hudson
the...
Williams is the, I think he's half Asian. He has
Ah.
Asian blood. Girl, ang pogi
Okay.
niya. As in, like jowa material. Of course, si
Okay.
Connor's story, it's really giving medyo like sex on legs. And talagang, I think a
Oo.
big part of the show was talagang his butt. He has a big butt. Like anatomically, it is very big.
So may pakitaan ng wet paps
Oo.
sa episodes.
Correct.
Wow.
Oo. Pero like, yun nga, episode 5. Basta, when you get to episode 5, talagang, oh my God, ikaw lang ba si Mr. Right? Medyo ganun, girl.
Wow.
Um,
Dapat pala masama sa casting si Kim Chu. Just lang. Pero do you believe
kumbaga, pag sumama si Kim Cho, yung theme song hindi na bawal lumabas. Bawal magpalabas.
bawal magpalabas, bawal magpalabas. Oh my God, ang hirap pa naman nun pag hindi ka nagpapalabas.
Pero honestly, kaya rin ako natutuwa sa Heated Rivalry is because the queer representation that it holds. I mean, it
Okay.
has been on our feeds for I think 2 months na now, like non-stop. Nakakatuwa that the queer kids have a show like this. But also naisip ko rin, nung bata tayo, ano kayang parang best closest example natin to like a heated rivalry encounter or opportunity?
Alam mo, marami. Marami. Kasi feeling ko yung heated rivalry, yan yung naging shoots pa of celebrating your inner kabaklaan.
Correct.
Diba? Yung parang tipong hindi pa ako ready. Pero
Correct.
sige, papanoorin ko to. Pero ikaw ba, meron ka bang heated rivalry moments?
Wala naman. Pinapapaisip lang ko, ano kung like older version to? Like from organic encounter to foobs to like magjowa. Like naisip ko lang, I don't know, ano, like nung 90s pa paano to nangyayari?
Oh my goodness.
Like pwede kasi kunyari pag tumawag sa landline tas wrong number, pero ang gwapo ng boses, parang, ay, anong pangalan mo? Tapos mag-eyeball kayo sa Robinson's Galleria after 2 weeks.
Oh my God, Robinson's Galleria, ang daming ang eyeball dyan. Pero
Correct.
sa akin, kung ako naman, feeling ko, uso kasi nun yung mga chat groups.
Correct.
Diba yung Uzap before? Oh my God.
Uzap.
It's giving luma.
It's giving judgment spelling. Uzap.
Yung Uzap, UZZAP.
correct.
May mga chat, doon, may mga chat group doon, tapos pwede kang makipag-eyeball. And then the eyeball location ay Isetan.
Ano ba bang pwedeng ganon? Kunyari, siguro dati Del Studios tayo, kunyari isipin mo nasa Xerox machine ka, kasi kailangan
Ay.
diinan mo yun, diba? Tapos may isang pogi na hindi, dapat ganito ka diin.
Tapos magpapatong yung dalawang kamay.
Correct.
Oh my God.
Diba? Tapos like yung reading siya sa biology, tapos makakaramdam ka ng physical sensation with someone who has been very lucky when it comes to natural selection.
Oh my
diba?
God. Tatayo yung balahibo mo talaga.
Diba? From Xerox to Cerex.
Oh my God, Cerex.
Cerex.
First of all, Cerex. It's giving tik-tik.
Cerex, it's giving mandatory reading.
Oo.
Children, like learn your queer history. Cerex is important.
Cerex talaga.
Oo.
Kasi alam niyo nung time namin, usong-uso yung mga tabloid
Correct.
newspapers.
Yeah.
So kung gusto nyong ma-activate yung heated rivalry, sensorical,
Correct.
metaphorical emining nyo,
Correct.
magbasa kayo ng Cerex.
Like the excellence in literature sa Cerex, mama, it's giving Pulitzer Award.
Correct. It's giving Palangka Award kasi they don't use the private parts words,
Correct.
pero kunwari doon ka makakabasa ng hiyas,
Yes.
'di ba? Alaga,
Diba, doon ka ng tarugo.
tarugo, 'di ba?
Diba?
Rambutan.
Diba?
Doon
I
mo
love
yung
it.
doon
Nandun ang figures of speech.
nandun lahat. Kumbaga yun
Nakakaloka.
ang Merriam-Webster.
Exactly.
Cerex.
Nakakaloka. Cerex, kung nasan ka man, stay there.
Stay there, be a book.
Be a book. Nakakaloka naman yung be a book.
Be a book.
Okay.
Parang hindi man lang be my guest, be a book.
Be a book.
Oo.
But also, yun nga, heated rivalry, it's giving cinema. Talagang, there's a lot of sex. happening. But honestly, like, we need that. Like, straight sex has been represented for such a long time already. We need queer sex representation.
Kailangan natin ng queer sex representation because it gives us energy.
Yes.
Parang naalala ko yan. Oo. Naalala ko yung My Husband's Lover. Parang dati kasi ganun eh. Di ba? Pero prime time yon, mainstream yon.
Correct.
Pero this one kasi streaming eh. Di ba? Pero yeah, it's giving cinema.
Correct. At buti na lang nabanggit mo ang cinema because finally, nagkaroon tayo ng invite sa advanced screening. Maraming salamat sa 20th Century Studios because we got invited last week to a very, very private screening of Send Help featuring Rachel
Oh
McAdams.
my God, Miss Rachel McAdams, the original mean girl that you are.
Correct, Regina George. Arguably somewhat responsible for the start of your career.
Correct.
Diba?
Is butter a carb, di ba?
Get in Loser, We're Going Shopping, Ako Legal Wife, some of the famous lines that she has just put into the cultural zeitgeist.
Alam mo kung ako magiging producer, ibibigay ko yung role ni Ruby sa kanya.
Siya talaga.
Diba?
Siya talaga. Bagay sa kanya. Diba? Kasi Regina George is actually an anagram for Ruby.
Siya talaga ang anagram. And she was the pentagram
I love it.
of Ruby. And alam mo, pwede rin nating ibigay sa kanya yung role ni Marian Rivera sa pelikulang My Husband's Lover.
Correct.
Part 2.
Or sa pelikulang Rewind. Oh.
Rewind,
The
yeah.
billion peso making movie. But anyway, this is about a different movie.
Correct.
Again, nagsanga-sanga naman po tayo.
Oo nga.
Okay, nakakatuwa ang Send Help because honestly, sobrang queer-coded niya. It's very camp.
Aha.
It's very... it's a workplace drama, right?
It's a workplace drama. Alam mo, etong Send Help na to, lalo na kung may mga medyo may tension kayo na mga office mates ninyo sa opisina, sa kumpanya, this is a perfect film na panoorin ninyo.
Correct. This was directed by Sam Raimi. Of
Oh, yeah.
course, ang Spider-Man, Drag Me to Hell, Evil
Yeah.
Dead. And of course, alam natin na ang asawa ni Sam Raimi ay si Miss Do Raimi.
At syempre, hindi siya konti kasi siya ay Marami.
Maraming. Pero yes, I love Send Help. Nakakatuwa lang talaga ma-invite sa isang screening.
Nakakatuwa kasi
Oo.
parang feeling natin we are the IMDb
Yes.
of the next generation.
Which stands for Inang Malaki,
Inang malaki, 'di ba?
Bata.
Inang malaki, 'di ba, bata? It means lactating mom.
Correct. It always goes back to milk.
It always goes back to calcium.
I love it.
Nutrition.
Correct. Pero ito nga, sabi nila, tungkol saan yung movie? Eto na
Eto
po,
na,
eto
kwento
na.
na namin.
Okay. So, sinasabi naming workplace drama siya because it is about somebody na hindi na-promote. Trigger warning!
Oh my God, maraming makaka-relate sa mga ganyang istorya.
Correct. Taong hindi na-promote dahil hindi siya pinromote ng boss niya and then she gets stuck on a deserted island.
Oh my
Honestly, pag na-stuck ka sa isang island with your boss na medyo hindi mo bet, anong gagawin mo?
Marami kang pwedeng gawin di ba?
Correct.
It's either number one, kung medyo, I mean, kahit naman hindi mo siya bet,
Correct.
personally,
As a human being.
as a human being, pero kunwari kung 7 days na kayo magkasama sa island, di ba? At
Diba?
walang signal, baka mamaya naman, nagkakagusto ka na rin.
Correct.
Pero alam mo, feeling ko, kung hindi ko bet yung boss, may chance siguro na i-backstab ko siya.
So, patalikod mo pa siya atakihin.
Patalikod ko siya atakin.
Ako lulunurin ko na siya agad. Paharap ako, dire-diretso.
Tama.
Tama.
Tama yon. Pero alam mo, para sa akin, maganda yung backstab muna.
Aha.
Para slow death. Charing!
Pero yun siya, so it is very gory, cathartic, pero it's a workplace drama. It's very camp. And honestly, I think talagang ine-embrace lang lalo ni Rachel McAdams sa kanya pagiging queer icon here. And also, of course, they get stuck on an island because there is a plane crash sequence.
Oh my God.
Which is beautifully shot because usually ang plane crash is parang, okay, magka-crash yung plane tapos blackout din nasa island na sila. Dito be, isa-isang pinil.
Oo.
Natatanggal ang parts ng eroplano.
Oo. It's giving pinya na tinatanggal yung mata ng pinya.
Correct. So,
Inihiwa lahat-lahat.
exactly. So please go check out Send Help and thank you so much 20th Century Studios for inviting us. In fact, yes, Send Help will be opening on
January 28.
January 28. Pero by the time this airs, meron na po kaming special block screening to select followers. So magpapalabas kami ng promo. Baka by the time na na-post po namin to, ubus na. But our first block screening as well.
The first block screening and hopefully marami pang mangyayari.
Diba?
Pero wait lang, napapaisip ako ha. Kunwari kung matrap ka sa isang island with your hated boss,
Oh my God.
what would be your escape plan?
My escape plan would be, I will fake my death.
Oh my God.
Para hindi niya na ako kailangan. Then eventually, I will just live on top of a tree to fulfill my top fantasy.
And what would be that, ano?
The tree?
Yeah.
Of course, it has to be an orange tree.
Orange tree.
Yeah.
So meaning hindi sa Pilipinas ang setting.
Correct. Ang setting nito is somewhere, what's a country that has oranges?
Orange County.
Oh my God, I love it so much.
Diba? California.
I love it. Garden Square.
Garden Square. Sa USA gagawin ito sa California. And given that, for me, nung napanood ko yung advanced screening ng Send Help, this is one of the craziest roles na ginampanan ni Rachel McAdams.
Correct. All out girl, medyo na ano siya, unhinged.
Unhinged. Parang, hindi ito yung Rachel McAdams na kinalakihan natin sa Mean Girls sa The Notebook. No.
Correct, no. Iba to, be.
Iba to.
Iba to. At nakakatawa, may part 2 na ang Send Help, which is send nudes.
Send nudes and syempre, kung gusto nyo pa rin related sa work, send to all. Oh my God, have you tried sending an email?
Honestly, ang sarap mag-send to all kapag
Diba?
merong nangaaway sa'yo.
Oo, no?
Pag merong gusto mang away sa'yo dahil sinend to all niya para, I don't know, feeling niya kaya kanyang mapahiya, pero nasa iyo yung resibo.
Ay!
Na tipong, gusto mo mag-reply to all. Sure ka ba dyan, dear?
Oo.
'Di ba? Tapos bitbit mo yung resibo na tipong, per my email, see attached, tapos ka, dear.
Tapos ka.
Diba?
Alam mo yung last experience ko with Send to All, our CEO in a media agency, nagpatawag siya ng town hall. So, it was 1:30 in the afternoon, nakatanggap kaming lahat ng email. And then, walang dear all. It's just all. And then, colon.
Honestly, the tenacity to not put dear and just say all, it's giving, you know what? I earn 5 times more than you guys.
Ganun yun eh, di ba? Ganun ang mga CEO, lalo na kapag may announcement.
Walang dear, all
Walang
lang.
dear all. All.
All.
We will have a town hall exactly 2:30 p.m. sharp.
Sabog.
Tapos walang thanks. Nakalagay lang yung pangalan ng CEO.
Oh my God. Grabe, no? It's giving cold-hearted bitch.
It's giving cold cuts.
Diba? It's giving the cold never bothered me anyway.
It's giving Elsa.
It's giving Himala.
It's giving Nora Honor.
It's giving Nor Sinigang flavor mix.
Since we've mentioned naman din the Sand Help movie, so watch out for that, guys. January 28, 2026. Feeling ko kailangan na natin gumawa ng website or kind
Scoring
of
system.
Yeah, scoring system.
Or
for
sabi
the
nila,
movies.
a rubric.
Rubric? A stimulus.
Diba? Tapang review natin kasi feeling ko marami tayong siguro mga i-review mga movies, mga albums,
Yeah.
review word association. Alam ko na, let's call this Dog Show Divas Review Center.
Dog Show Divas Review Center. So this is DDRC.
Diba? Kapatid ni
Para-
GMRC at illegitimate brother ni NDMRCC.
NDR-MMC.
MMC, something like that.
At, pero not related to DPWH.
Correct.
Yeah.
Because, yes.
Kasi kailangan natin mag-review ng mga ano. Feeling ko eto yung inauguration ng Dog Show Divas Review Center.
Correct.
Diba?
Tapos, instead of thumbs up, tawagin natin itong thumbs arf. So, tatahol tayo.
So, paano yan?
So, kung ang send help ay 4 stars, ito 4 barks. Let's bark 4 times. 3, 2, 1. Arf, 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 arf!
Oh my God. So, ganun ang ano. Alam mo, kailangan natin gawin yan sa Instagram
Correct,
Reels.
yes.
Kunwari, lumabas na yung The Devil Wears Prada.
Correct.
Part
Or
2.
Doomsday. Or kahit itong send help, let us
Oo.
know your Dog Show Diva Review Center review. Let us know kung ilang tahol po siya para sa inyo.
Or di kaya 4 or 5 na dog emoji. Parang 2016.
I love it.
Oh my God, 2016.
The 2016 trend is, honestly, I'm so happy for people who are putting their throwback photos.
Grabe yan.
But I am waiting for somebody to post a throwback photo of their selfie during election day noong 2016.
Oh my God.
Like, have we forgotten about that? That was a cosmic event.
I know na parang halos lahat ba tayo ay Dog Show Diva supporters. Hindi, di ba? Noong 2016, grabe yun eh.
Correct. Pero
Diba?
2016, nasa ka ng mga panahon na yun, be?
2016, I was in Qatar during that time.
Kapon ka.
Yeah. Yeah, kaya siya Qatar.
Ka with a Q.
Punka. I was in Qatar. I was a content producer for an ad agency there. And then, yon, katatapos lang ng 2016 Hula Baloo.
Hula Baloo.
It's not an election, but it's a Hula Baloo. Eme lang, baka anuin nyo kami. Pero yun, grabe yun. Nakakaloka yung 2016 throwback.
Yeah, kaya ako naloka sa 2016 because when I remember it, I think now I can safely assume, I think I was quite depressed nung 2016.
Oh.
Because I just left like a 7.5-year relationship. Tapos, nagka-jowa ako agad. But also at the same time, yung parents ko move na yung pamilya ko to the US. So, ang dami nangyayaring changes around me. So, parang like, I couldn't just like, I badly wanted to land on my feet, but before I landed on my feet, talagang I was parang pag marami nangyayari around, parang wait lang world. Medyo ganun siya.
Sa akin din, sabi ko nga sa Instagram ko noon, 2016 wasn't my best year.
Ako rin talaga, hindi talaga.
Kasi ano siya marami akong na-experience sa Qatar. And then pag uwi ko ng Pilipinas, 2017 Q1, syempre, it's rebuilding stage again. It's
build.
Yeah, build. Yun di ba? Yun build, BBB.
Correct.
And then napunta sa M, so naging BBM. Charing lang. So for me, 2016 wasn't my best year. Pero marami akong natutunan noon.
Oo.
And
I think ngayon lang natin na-realize na may natutunan tayo like 10 years after.
Oo.
Because you do not see the lesson while you are at the eye of the storm.
Correct.
All you see is chaos and defeat and despair. But now we get to say, hi 2016, what's good?
Ganon, di ba? A decade ago, 10 years ago, pero alam mo, since a decade ago din naman and since it's 2026, I am sure yung mga listeners natin, mga ka-DDS.
Correct. The Dog Show Diva supporters.
I am sure marami rin kayong mga gustong i-pursue this year.
Correct. Because ito pa rin ang aming first episode of the year. May mga, of course, sports. Everybody is in balik alindog mode right now because it is January.
Correct.
So, of course, maraming salamat sa mga bading na talaga nga namang pinopularize ang pickleball, ang Strava.
Oh my God, pickleball. Oo.
Diba?
Dami nga.
But I think it is time to use this platform and shine the light on the other sports na pwede maging option ng sambayanan.
Correct. Option ng sambayanan, pero maging option din ng sangkabaklaan. Okay, so we are, unang pumasok sa isip ko is, kasi I remember when I was in Vietnam, in Bangkok din, ang ASEAN kasi, or wow, taray. Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Meron din tayong sarili nating sport.
Yes.
Yeah, it's called the Sepak Takraw.
Honestly, sepak takraw, palarong pambansa, di ba?
Wait, palarong pambansa, first of all.
Alam mo, dati, so, syempre high school ko sa Binangonan, tapos yung palarong pambansa, I think yun yung term, pero it always happens in Marikina. And you see, syempre yung nasa science high school ako, parang feeling namin, oh my God, we have the best athletes. Mama, we were nerds. So pagdating namin sa Marikina, nilalampaso po yung mga taga Binangonan.
Kasi nga puro talino lang.
Talino lang,
Walang
diba?
physical.
Para akala namin, oh my God, sobrang pasabog yung mga athletes namin. Mama, no.
So utak lang po ang contribution ng mga taga Binangonan. Lang, at least matatalino, di ba?
Well,
Not
we don't know. I mean, I'm me and yeah.
Kahit nga sa amin sa Binyan, di mo malahat masasabi matalino sa Binyan.
But at least you are the 9th in your class.
I know.
Diba?
Best in history, by the way.
Yes. Sepak takraw.
Sepak Takraw, yeah. Going back to Sepak Takraw.
Na I think later this year, I think the Philippines will also be hosting the Sepak Takraw Championship. I don't know how I know that, but I do. But also, Mama, Sepak Takraw, honestly, Sepak Takraw is just the golden snitch sa Quidditch.
Oh my God, totoo. Parang Harry Potter, no?
Correct.
The Sepak Takraw.
Diba?
Kailangan natin magkaroon ng Sepak Takraw Festival in the Philippines.
Diba? Para lang din siyang volleyball na naka-straight jacket ka. Mahirap siya, dear!
Mahirap siya kasi
Yeah.
kailangan mo ng body coordination, and then also it involves a lot of muscles. And alam mo, feeling ko, pag Heated Rivalry Philippine Edition, kailangan Sepak Takraw ang gawin.
Or pwedeng Jackstone. Or
Pwede.
Chinese garter.
Wait lang. Heated Rivalry Philippine cast. Sino yung dalawang yon? For you, for you.
me, okay.
Safe space.
Safe space. Pero there are a lot of people watching.
That's a satire for you.
You know what? Let's do like a daddy edition. Let's do
sige, daddy edition.
Let's do Wendell Ramos. And,
my God.
Sino yung tatay ni Tony Labrusca?
Boom Labrusca,
Honestly, let's do it.
Wendell Ramos, and Boom Labrusca.
I mean, it's a daddy fest.
I know.
And if you change the E ng fest, it will be daddy fist.
Daddy Fist.
Okay.
Heated Driver. Alam mo, maganda yan
Basta yun, sinong gusto mo dyan?
I will go with Wendell Ramos.
I mean,
sige.
Diba?
Go ako kay Wendell Ramos.
Sino yung isa?
Siguro for me isang daddy din. I will go with Dieter Ocampo.
Honestly, comeback. Ito yung comeback nila.
'Di ba?
Diba?
Heated rivalry.
Pero Jackstone ng sport ha.
Jackstone ng sport.
Correct.
Ano kayang Tagalog nito kung heated rivalry? Kasi heated rivalry, syempre English, kailangan i-localize natin.
Kumukulong mantika.
Ganda. Tang ina. It's giving canola, olive, corn, and minola. Olive.
Diba?
Diba?
It's giving oil. Because we believe that this show is for oil.
It's for oil because we want you to be lubricated.
And we want to be inclusive. So, somebody produced this. Ang title nito ng Heated Rivalry Tagalog version ay Kumukulong Mantika.
Directed by?
Of course, direct Tonet Hadaune.
Correct.
Lalari tayo, sepak takraw. Bago mo sinabi yung heated rivalry, napaisip ako, ano ang tawag sa mga tao naglalaro ng sepak takraw?
Takrownians.
Takrawyans? Sepakyans?
Bakit nananapak ba sila?
Ano, like sepakistas? Ano ba yan?
Parang feeling ko sepakistas and then magkakaroon sila ng segment sa ASAP and they will be called
ASAP sepakistas.
Correct.
Pagdating ng panahon.
Baka ikaw rin na.
Mine!
Ay! Ganon. Bakit ganon? Volleyball yun eh.
Siyempre bakla, di ba?
Okay.
Mine! No.
Oo, tama. Tsaka parang very pang top yung yung larong sepak takraw.
Correct. Honestly, I feel like
Pang top
if
siya.
yung sepak takraw, it is probably like a good signal na parang if somebody has like great topping skills because that is like lower body hip thrusting with your legs.
Yeah.
I mean,
kailangan yung core mo doon malakas eh.
correct.
Oo.
Diba? Sabi nga ni Bianca Gonzalez, what's your why? So you need to know your core.
Correct. And when you know your core,
You know your mantle.
and when you know your mantle, you have a magma. And that magma is hot.
And that magma is make America gay and metrosexual again.
Correct.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
We're so political.
We're so political. And I remember, since you've mentioned United States of America,
Yes, I did just say that. Oh.
yeah, it's related to
Yeah.
make di ba, magma.
Yeah, magma.
Oh, para yung make America great again.
Correct.
Cricket.
Cricket. The sport cricket.
Anong meron sa cricket? Bakit kailangan ito maging sport ng kabaklaan?
Correct. Like, cricket, ito ba ay lighter? Ito ba ay insekto? Ito ba ay sport? O ito ba ay ipangalan ng isang ermana na povedan? Miss Cricket.
Poveda. You've mentioned Poveda.
Aha.
What would be the name of this Povedan?
Si Miss Cricket
Oo.
Gonzales. Kailangan may hyphen. Ano yung kadikit ng Gonzales?
Feeling ko, Limkiatko. And then, oh my God, Limkiatko.
Limkiatko. Mamatang Twister.
Yan yung mga apelido ng mga Phil Chai na mayayaman sa Green Hills.
It's giving New Manila. It's giving Gloria Maris na Laureate yung menu. Kasi
Oh,
may
shit.
pera sila. Hindi sila dun sa dim sum.
Oo.
Doon sila sa Laureate.
Laureate. Tapos may Lazy Susan.
Oh, 'di ba?
Yun ang mayaman.
Pag may lazy Susan kayo sa party nyo, not only have you made it, but I'm pretty sure you pay your taxes at malaki to.
Malaki to. Hindi ito ine-evasion.
Love it.
And therefore, pag alam mong mayaman talaga yung Phil Chai kapag yung sumusundo sa kanya.
lazy Susan,
Oh, yung ginaganyan.
mo. 'Di ba?
Lazy Susan, ginaganyan. Tangina talaga. Tapos, ang sumusundo sa kanya yung mga Camry or di kaya yung mga Mazda CX-60.
'Di ba?
Inang yaman.
Diba?
Tsaka puting kotse. There's always something with the white car.
'Di ba? The white car na it's giving, let's just say it, it's giving 1%.
It's giving 1%. Ikaw yung nagpapatakbo ng ekonomiya ng Pilipinas.
Correct. Iba yung Camry na puti. Let's just say, Camry na puti, sobrang arrive.
Yeah, it's always the Camry na puti.
Yeah.
And even the Alphard,
Aha.
di ba? Basta anything na puting car,
Aha.
it's always giving your, oh my God, you're paying high taxes.
Correct. Tapos, pero pag puting Innova, it's giving Grab 6-seater.
Silver na Innova.
Silver na Innova.
Oo.
Ano ba yung mga Grab 6-seater? Silver na Innova.
Montero.
Avanza.
Avanza.
First of all, I love the Avanza. It's so, alam mo yun, parang,
Ang bakla ng Avanza, no?
yeah, like, okay, mababa lang siya. Diba? Tapos bukas pagpasa mo ang daming legroom. Honestly, the Avanza is bottom friendly.
Ah, really?
I think so.
Feeling ko yun ang ginamit sa bait boss. Eme lang. Feeling ko yun yung ginamit doon.
Oh my God, Bait Bus. What a relic of the mid-2000s.
Yeah, and yeah, totoo.
Yeah. Children, let's just like, if you have time, look it up. It's pretty iconic.
Yeah. Just search it on Google.
Diba?
You will learn a lot.
You will learn a lot.
Grabe. Pinag-usapan natin talaga yung kotse, no? Hindi kita titigilan dyan. Pero wag naman
oh
doon.
my God, hindi ka binitigil sa
Oo.
kotse.
Pero eto, another sport na pumapasok sa isip mo. What do you
Okay.
think?
Fencing. Honestly, I am surprised na wala pa rin masyadong bakla sa fencing because pag tinagalog mo ang fencing, it translates to espadahan.
Espadahan. Oh my God. Tsaka di ba may ano yun, yung shield sa face?
Honestly, it's giving Eyes Wide Shut ni Tom Cruise at ni Nicole Kidman. Yung parang merong
oo.
sex party na anonymous.
Oo. Grabe yung fencing. Parang pangmayaman to eh.
Correct.
Pangmayaman na sport ang fencing.
So, ang starter pack para mayaman ka ngayong 2026, dapat naglalaro ka ng fencing, dapat ang sasakyan mo ay puting Camry, at dapat meron kayong Lazy Susan sa bahay.
Alam mo, may mga gay Instagram followers ako.
Okay.
Eh,
Tread carefully, my dear.
No. I mean, napansin ko, halos lahat sila naka-Mazda. It's like the Subaru
Yeah.
of lesbians.
Correct. Mazda.
Mazda is the gay car right now.
Correct. Mazda is so gay because mas dadami ang bakla with Mazda.
Yun dapat na maging campaigning nyo.
Diba? Mas dadami ang booking sa Mazda.
Mazda. Diba? Meron ako mga kilala naka CX-5, CX-60.
And I bet they're very queer.
They're very queer.
And I bet they're great people.
And they live in Rockwell. Okay, another one na pumasok sa isip ko, Frisbee.
Frisbee is another sport na honestly, as a tundugay na lumaki sa flying saucer, pag may nagpa-frisbee, all I see is a masebong tinapay.
Totoo. Totoo yun. Pero feeling ko hindi sa atin applicable ang Frisbee kasi delikado.
But also, kaano-ano ni Frisbee si Jollibee?
Oh my God.
I mean, we're onto something here. This is literally investigative journalism.
This is investigative journalism. Miss Cara David.
Pakisagot.
Pakisagot. Ikaw ang makakasagot nito. Siguro pag nakita ni Miss Cara David yung Frisbee, oh my God, umiikot! Gaganon siya, di ba? Oh my God, umiikot! Oh my God, laki!
Honestly, I feel like sa sobrang galing mag-react ni Cara David sa mga oh my God, I wouldn't be surprised kung siya ang acting coach ni Chris Aquino sa Feng Shui.
Yun ang gusto nating i-unearth dito.
Oh my God!
Oo, di ba? Delton, Ingrid!
Cara David, honestly, Meisner-trained Yale Drama School graduate.
Juilliard also.
I love it. This is, can I just say, na-miss ko tong mukha lang tayong tangan nagpa-podcast.
Eh, gano'n naman ang dog show diva, tangahan lang to
Tangahan
eh.
lang to, di ba?
Pabobohan lang to
Pabobohan lang to. But with that being said, sorry, let's just be a little earnest here. I think as of this recording, we're the #1 podcast on Spotify. So thank you, DDS Nation.
Thank you sa mga ka-DDS natin.
Correct.
Thank you so much to you guys.
Correct. Guys, utang na loob, huwag niyo pong paniwalaan lahat ng sinasabi namin.
Oo. Kasi pag pinaniwalaan nyo kami, mapapahama kayo.
Mapapahamak kayo. Kami, hindi, okay kami.
Oo. Kami okay lang kami mapahamak, pero kayo wag. Dahil mahal namin kayo.
Oo, pamilya namin kayo eh.
Oo.
Diba?
You are our strength.
Diba? Pero really, thank you. And sa mga, ito na po, we were gone for like 35, it's been
Oo
35
nga, tagal
days
nga
since
pala,
we last
no?
did a podcast.
Yeah, 35 days. It's giving TV show.
Correct.
Yung 30 days, naalala
Correct.
mo yan?
Hindi. At sino yun?
Hindi ko nga rin matandaan eh.
I love
Pero
it.
sa ano yan, it's Channel 7 yan eh.
Correct.
30 days.
Yeah. Okay, so we are recording this episode on a Wednesday.
Correct.
And There is something very exciting that's going to happen this Friday. One could argue it's exciting, pero pwede rin siyang bad idea.
Oh, yeah.
Because we are gonna go on our very first trip together.
Yeah, first trip because we are going to
Thailand!
Thailand, Sawadee.
Yes, we got cast sa reshoot ng White Lotus.
Yeah, White
So,
Lotus.
correct.
We are going to do a role there.
Correct.
So I am going to be a hotel room boy, and you are going to be what?
Lotus Feet.
Yeah.
Yes.
And therefore, Lotus Pod.
Correct. No, pero I'm excited. So it's a very quick trip. I think we've always wanted to travel together because parang feeling ko ito yung blood compact, business review.
Correct.
Diba?
Para siyang para siyang Joe Harry window session.
Correct. So
Reiki healing.
Reiki healing. So eat, pray, love tayo for 48 hours. Ganun po
Oo,
kabilis yun.
ganon. 48 hours lang po.
Ganun po kabilis yung trip namin. Of course, maraming salamat kay Pal for sponsoring the trip.
Ganun yun pagpal, di ba?
Thailand, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin natin. Pwede tayong mag-aral mag-foot spa.
Yeah, pwede tayong mag-cooking session kasi may mga cooking school doon, how to make pad thai.
Correct. Ginawa namin ng nanay ko yun. It's a half-day,
Thing,
effort.
yeah.
And masaya siya. But also, I want to talk about the airport of Thailand, Suvarnabhumi.
Oh yeah, the Suvarnabhumi Airport, which is better than AIA, by the way.
I think as for from a rating standpoint, mas mataas talagang ranking niya.
Mas mataas talaga.
Correct.
Pero wait lang, ang ganda ng word na Suvarnabhumi.
Diba? Suvarnabhumi. It's giving Suvarnabhumi walked so boom na boom can run.
Suvarnabhumi, is it related to Suv? Ewan ko, pero historical yung na name na yan, na Suvarnabhumi. Pero naririnig ko sa mga flight attendant ng PAL, they don't call it Suvarnabhumi pala.
What do they call it?
Suvarnabhum.
Oh my God. Para sa mga taong tamad, Suvarnabhum.
Grabe! Pero alam mo, excited ako dyan sa Thailand natin.
Yes. And I think we should manage yung expectation natin. Because parang moving in together to, di ba? Parang may mga bagay na hindi natin alam sa isa't isa.
Correct.
Diba?
Oo.
Correct. Ako, just to manage expectations, because we want to be, we want this to be a healthy friendship, letting you know na pagkagising ko sa umaga, I need my exercise and my coffee.
Okay.
Ikaw, anong ritual mo?
I'm a morning person. So, since I'm trying to be active, syempre, hanap muna ako ng... may gym naman sa hotel
Oh my God, let's work out together.
Pwede.
We can jog around Siloam Soy Thorn. I don't know.
Pwede. Or pwede rin sa Pratunam. Tsare.
Diba? Diba? Lakad-lakad tayo. Jogging-jogging tayo doon.
Oo. Pero alam nyo, very important the Bangkok trip for us because this is more of a alam mo na to get to know more deeper.
Yeah, because I think I'm very much committed to this friendship, and it is a business partnership.
Mm-hmm.
And we are going to have, honestly, we're going to have conflicts, arguments along the way. But I think as friends, ang kailangan nating ma-figure out is how to fight efficiently.
How to fight efficiently because the protons and neurons hindi yan laging nag-a-agree.
Correct.
Pero kailangan ng harmonious relationship.
Correct. So parang feeling ko, let's normalize parang having a healthy tension.
Oo naman.
With the goal of being a better unit. So good luck sa ating business trip.
Good luck.
So if ito na po ang last episode namin, very obviously, failure ang business trip namin.
Correct. Pag eto na yung last episode, it means nag-away kami sa Thailand.
Correct.
Charing lang.
Oo.
Pero, I mean, given that we are going to Thailand, do you like to walk? Do you walk a lot when you're in other countries?
Yeah, I always like to walk, and I make sure that it is a walk to remember.
Because it was late afternoon indeed.
Diba?
And it lasted forever, but it ended so soon.
God.
Kaya 48 hours lang it ended so soon.
Correct, oo.
Sabi ko sa inyo Pero alam mo, since this is gonna be our first international trip together, do you have any pet peeve sa kasama mo sa pagta-travel?
Wala naman, because I think I'm a pretty matiisin akong tao. And I mean that as a neutral thing. So parang kung may mga kulit ka, may mga quirks ka, sobrang carry lang talaga.
Okay.
Siguro ibigay mo lang sa akin yung aisle seat.
I'll see it.
Parang ayaw mo ibigay sa akin na.
Hindi, okay lang kasi hindi, okay lang kasi okay ako sa window seat.
As a practitioner of the
Johari window.
God.
Diba? Things you don't know, things you know.
And things you would like to forget.
Yeah. And therefore, cry. Eme lang.
Oh my God, can we talk about Ano Thailand trip? Anyway, thank you so nag-lip sync kami ng Cry. That was so
Oo.
fun.
Ang saya no nung nag-live show tayo sa sa BGC.
Correct. So dahil magbiyahe tayo sa Thailand, feeling ko kailangan natin ng coffee counter. Makakailang kape kaya tayo?
Yan ang napapaisip ako. Are we chai tea team or are we team coffee?
Or are we Uniteam? Because we
Are united. Diba? Are we going to make ASEAN great again?
Diba?
Because we are at the trump of every triumph.
I love it. And then, kung may coffee counter, cutie counter. Ilang cuties kaya mahanap natin?
Naku, alam mo, ako i-give ko na yan sa'yo. Basta ako, I'm here to support the trip. Susuportahan kita kung ano
Well,
ang
thanks for putting me on the spot,
No.
partner.
Pero alam mo, okay na ako sa isang magandang
I
massage.
love it. Because massage, I think, everybody deserves a massage.
That has, a good ending.
Correct.
And that ending should be the ending of friendship.
Correct. And it should be the never-ending story.
Correct.
I'll make a wish for you. Casper po yun, hindi po yun never-ending story.
Oh, hindi po yan, Cass.
Correct.
Ayan.
Oo, Casper.
Okay, alam mo, dahil dyan, napapaisip pa rin ako, parang wala pa naman tayong... Hey, are we prepared sa trip na to?
Honestly, hindi ko alam. Medyo kinakabahan ako ng very, very light. Pero
Okay.
parang mas excited.
Kasi we have the flight already.
Correct.
We have the hotel na.
And we have the right attitude.
We have the right attitude. We have the good headspace.
Oo.
What else are we looking for?
I think definitely we want to be unstoppable sa ating magiging bad idea of a trip. So, ang ating friends of the pod from Gomo, of
Oh,
course,
yeah.
have gifted us with travel eSIM for our upcoming trip. Ang kanilang Gomo Unstoppable. Kasi nga, di ba, yung data mo abroad, usually like, you spend money for that and you allot data for that.
Correct.
Pero kung if all of a sudden may organic encounter tayo,
Ay.
'di ba? Hindi natin magagamit yung data pagbalik natin sa Pilipinas, pwede pa natin gamitin yung data.
Alam mo, it's important kasi to be connected while you're abroad.
Correct.
Di ba sabi mo, you want to go to Chatok Chak ng
Oo.
Saturday.
Oo.
Google Maps kailangan natin.
Correct.
Pagka nagpunta tayo ng mall, ng
Correct.
Siam Paragon,
Oo.
bibili ka ng bag, bibili ako ng bag.
Ay, Diyos ko, alam mo, wag mo akong ibudol, ha? I want to spend wisely and I want to make sure that I just reward myself properly the same way that I want to enjoy the Wonder Joy
Ay.
perks.
Yeah, because speaking of Wonder Joy perks, kailangan may mga i-enjoyin din kayo. Ano yung mga yan? Siyempre,
Correct.
number 1.
Spa discount, merong hotel transfers, merong Dragon Pass membership. Again, if you are looking for more reasons to use Gomo, ito na po yun. Diba?
You know what?
Connectivity and perks.
You can also swap, ha?
Correct.
The no expiry data for unlimited use. So like for example, bumalik na kayo ng Pilipinas galing Singapore.
Correct. Tapos, naiwan mo yung salamin mo sa Singapore, babalik ka agad, covered ka ng Gomo sa mga taong burara.
Go.
Para po sa inyo ito.
Pwede mong gamitin pa rin kasi nga no expiry. Pagdating mo dito sa Manila or pagdating mo sa Pilipinas, gamitin mo pa rin.
So, basta travel easy, make sure to always consider and go for Gomo. It's giving unstoppable. It's giving modern day explorer. It's giving Dora the Explorer is shaking.
Dora Explorer is shaking kasi over 100 destination ang covered ng Gomo Travel eSIM. It's giving sawadika.
It's giving kapun ka. It's giving...
Sumimasen. We would like to thank Gomo. Thank you so much, Gomo! Pero alam mo, after Bangkok, what else do you think is the country na pag mag-travel tayo together?
I think yung malapit muna, para feasible. Di ba? Feeling ko like, syempre, Hong Kong, Singapore, yan ang mga pwede nating i-push.
Hong Kong, Singapore... Yeah, actually. Hong Kong kasi ang tagal ko na rin hindi nakapunta ng Hong
Correct.
Kong.
So, I think ilaban natin yan. Pareho tayong mahilig sa dim sum.
Parehas tayong mahilig sa Cantonese.
Cantonese.
Yeah.
Yes. So,
Oh my God,
maraming
Cantonese.
salamat. Pero yun na nga, I look forward to this weekend.
I look forward actually for the next 48 hours.
Girl, ang bilis ng trip natin.
Mabilis siya, pero I want it to be very meaningful for both of us.
You know what? I wouldn't be surprised if after this trip, papalitan natin ang Dog Show Divas to Thailand Trippers.
Ang ganda ng Thailand Trippers.
I love it. It's giving Drew Arellano.
Biyahe ni Drew, no?
Biyahe ni Drew.
Alam mo, dapat gumawa tayo ng travel show.
Correct.
Natatapat kay Drew Arellano.
Correct.
Biyahe ni Baus, trip ni McCoy.
Honestly, it's giving straight rights.
Straight rights, 'di ba? Tapos yung mga top destinations natin, syempre hindi lamang mga ASEAN countries, but also we will go to Kazakhstan,
I love that for them.
Kyrgyzstan.
Oo.
Yeah.
At ang pinaka-favorite natin, because I feel like this is part of our background as a predominantly Catholic country, ang Sakristan.
Oh my God, yeah. Kailangan na nila maging bansa.
Correct.
But you know what? Let us know in the comments kung kailangan natin gumawa ng Dog Show Divas
Correct.
Review Center.
Oh my God. Dahil we're talking about travel, have you... I don't know, this is so random, but do you know the Carla Estrada TikTok trend that is happening right now?
What is...
I don't know why I'm saying this, but I feel very strongly about this. So, merong TikTok trend right now na tinatawag nilang Asia's Echo si Carla Estrada.
Bakit Asia's Echo?
Kasi nag-upload siya nung video na piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Tapos, I think, yung in-upload niya, nilagyan niya ng audio yung video. Tapos, ginamit niya yung audio nung TikTok. So, girl, nag-echo yung buong sound. So may mga tao nagsasabi kung si Regine Velasquez ang Asia Songbird at si Queen Yasmin ang Asia Songbook,
Oo.
dahil umi-echo si Carla Estrada, siya ay ang Asia's.
Asia's. Parang yan naman yung kinalaban yung Tokyo.
Honestly, nakakatuwa siya kasi parang yung TikTok culture lang of nakakatawa yung mga
Oo.
comment section.
Oo.
Like ang comment ng mga tao dun sa video, ha ha ha, nakakatawa, ha ha ha, nakakatawa. Like, umi-echo yung mga comments.
Umi-echo.
Honestly, it has been my source of joy the last 4 days.
Feeling ko dapat kung babalik si Miss Carla sa Magandang Buhay, dapat yung entrance niya, Magandang Buhay, Magandang Buhay,
Correct.
kamusta ka, Jolina.
Oh my God, guys, look it up. It has made me so happy. It
Yeah.
has the right amount of brain rot. And honestly, Miss Carla Estrada, iconic.
Iconic.
Kasi lahat ng mga videos na kumakanta, ineko ng mga tao sa TikTok.
Grabe, no? Feeling ko ang tawag yun na kay Daniel Padilla.
Correct. Diba? It's giving Bernardo.
Oh my God, that actor, yes.
Diba? I love it. So yun
Sama
lang.
lang.
Super random.
Yeah.
But that has made me happy the last few days.
I see. Okay, hindi kasi ako ganun ka-active sa TikTok. Pero I have one thing to say to Miss Carla Estrada.
Say it, mama.
Leave politics and build a restaurant, Asia's. Diba? Yun ang
Asia's
gawin mo, Miss
Asia's,
Carla. Oo.
Laban mo
Well,
na
I think she's doing good naman with Tingog, pero go. Asia's, gumawa ka ng brand.
Kasi ganda yung sample, meron siyang mga home videos. Because she sings, ang galing niya kumanta. So like, kunyari yung, mga pagsubok, wag mong oh my God, mama,
Parang
I love it. So,
plaka.
it's giving literally echo chamber.
Oo. Sirang plaka lang ang peg.
Oo.
Pero alam mo, feeling ko in the next 6 months, kailangan mag-add si Miss Carla ng another trick or another theme for massage. Kasi meron tayong Lomi-Lomi, Swedish, Thai, Asia's. Sir, ano pong gusto niyo masahe? Meron po kami Asia's. With foot massage.
Miss Carla, we're giving you business ideas here. So,
Yeah.
magkano tayo dyan?
Miss Carla, we're giving you business ideas.
Ideas.
Yeah, ideas.
And on that note, that is it for the first episode of 2026.
Correct. Thank you so much. And therefore, see you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.